You don't need land, raised beds, or a big backyard to grow real food. In fact, some of the most productive vegetables thrive when space is tight. The shock for most new gardeners isn't how hard growing is, but how much food can come out of a few containers, a balcony, or a sunny window when the right crops are chosen. If you've ever thought small space gardening limits your harvest, this guide will flip that belief completely. This is a practical, proven breakdown of vegetables that earn their place, grow fast, and keep producing without demanding much room. Every one of these choices follows nature's blueprint principles: efficient growth, repeat harvests, and maximum return from minimal input. Large tomato varieties, they really tend to waste space and energy. Cherry and grape tomatoes do quite the opposite. They grow upward, produce continuously, and thrive in containers as small as 5 gallons. The secret, honestly, is vertical support. Just one strong stake or a string trellis lets the plant focus energy on fruit instead of sprawling all over the place. Water deeply but infrequently, allowing the top inch of soil to dry between waterings. Feed every 10 days using a diluted compost tea at a ratio of 1 cup tea to 1 gallon of water. This keeps fruit production steady without excess leaf growth. Peppers actually prefer being just a little bit root-bound. Bell peppers, chili peppers, and compact varieties all thrive in containers and, with a bit of patience, reward you with heavy yields. Choose pots at least 10 inches deep and wide. Warmth matters more than space, so place peppers in the sunniest spot you can find. Consistent watering is crucial, but soggy soil, well, that really kills productivity. Once flowering begins, feed with a potassium-rich liquid made by soaking 1 tablespoon of wood ash in 1 gallon of water for 24 hours, then straining and watering at the base. This supports flowering and fruit set without synthetic fertilizers. Few vegetables, honestly, give more food for less effort than green onions. They grow in shallow containers, tolerate partial sun, and regrow after every harvest. You can plant from seed or regrow from kitchen scraps by placing the white root ends into soil. Harvest by cutting the green tops, never pulling the plant out. Water lightly and consistently. No feeding is needed beyond occasional compost-rich water. This is one of the fastest ways to turn scraps into food. Radishes are ideal for small spaces because they mature fast and require very little room. Some varieties are ready in as little as 3 weeks. Use containers at least 6 inches deep and keep soil loose. Crowding is the most common mistake. Radishes don't need heavy feeding. Over-fertilizing causes leaves instead of roots. Water evenly and harvest promptly to keep them crisp and mild. Bush beans don't climb and don't sprawl far, making them perfect for containers and balconies. They fix nitrogen in the soil, improving conditions for nearby plants. Plant seeds directly into containers at least 8 inches deep. Beans prefer consistent moisture and full sun. Harvest frequently to encourage continued production. Basil, parsley, and cilantro earn a spot in small gardens because they grow fast, tolerate containers, and can be harvested continuously. Basil loves warmth and responds well to frequent cutting. Pinch tops regularly to prevent flowering. Parsley grows slower but produces steadily when outer stems are harvested first. Use shallow but wide containers and keep soil evenly moist. A mild compost tea once every 2 weeks is enough to keep growth strong. Traditional zucchini takes over gardens, but, compact bush varieties are surprisingly container-friendly. One plant in a large pot can feed an entire household. Choose a container at least 12 inches deep and wide. Good airflow prevents disease. Water deeply and feed every 10 days with compost tea, diluted at 1 cup per gallon of water. Harvest fruits small and often. This keeps the plant productive and prevents exhaustion. The real power of small space gardening comes from combining plants with different growth habits. Leafy greens below taller crops, herbs along edges, and quick growers like radishes filling gaps allow one container to produce multiple harvests. This mimics natural ecosystems and really maximizes every inch of soil. Small space gardening isn't about limitation, it's about intention. When every plant must earn its place, you stop growing for looks and start growing for results. Nature's blueprint is about efficiency, resilience, and working with biology instead of against it. These vegetables don't just survive in small spaces, they thrive there. If this guide helped you rethink what's possible, subscribe to Nature's Blueprint, share this with someone who thinks they don't have enough space to grow food, and start turning even the smallest area into a productive garden.